Today we are going to learn how to clean two different types of rigs. One will be a dab rig, which will have to clean the banger and the carb cap. The second rig is going to be a traditional bong, which we will have to clean out the bowl and scrub the inside. The three ingredients you will need will be salt, alcohol, 70% or above would be better, and dish soap. First, you want to grab a solo cup or anything to fill with some salt and alcohol that you can clean out later. You're going to put all of the pieces that are not connected to the rigs into the cup. When removing the banger from your dab rig, remember that resin can fall down and can be reused later on. Grab a toothpick and collect it in any container you have your oils in. Once finished, let soak for about 10 minutes. Next, you want to fill both openings of your rig with salt. Then, fill your rig with alcohol, starting at the mouthpiece and in the stem as well. Shake for about 5 to 10 minutes, plugging both holes with your fingers. If the holes are too big to plug with your fingers, you can use a plastic bag and tape it over the hole, or use a Ziploc bag. Now, we are going to empty that resin martini down the drain and fill it up with clean water. You should shake the water and empty it out a couple of times, but we are going to use soap soon to take any of the remaining salt and alcohol out. After our accessories have soaked for the 10 to 20 minutes, we can rinse them out and then go piece by piece, mixing salt and alcohol and shaking in the red Solo cup. The resin should be loose enough to come up with a paper towel now. The last step for the rig, clean it out with soap and lots of water. No bubbles should be left when you are washing it out with the water. For the banger, since it is mostly burnt wax remaining, the last solution for the cleaner glass is to burn off the remaining wax. And now it's looking brand new.